Hey everybody, welcome to my first ever YouTube video. This channel is going to be about a ton of Saab content. I'm going to go into car meets, I'll make a bunch of repairs on my Saab, and I'll do more junkyard videos like this, and maybe even POV videos. So make sure to subscribe if you want more content like this. And as always, enjoy the video. Okay, so here's the Saab I'm after. Of course, it's the one with the low pressure turbo, so I won't be able to grab any of the boost controllers. I don't think so. I might still. I'm pretty sure they're not the same, but whatever. Be able to grab the coil packs. Yeah, see, it's a low pressure turbo. No good, but I can grab the coil packs. That's all good. Probably grab the boost control sensor right there, and another boost control sensor right here. Probably not even good on this car, but worth the gamble. And check out these rims. Oh, one time around. Yeah, they're Viking Shield rims. Very cool. I'm sure somebody would really like a pair of these. Yeah, and they're all around. I think there's all four of them right here. Yeah, look. 1, 2, 3, and 4. They're all here. So if someone wants a set, I mean, go right ahead. Very nice. Okay, so I'm about to get the coils. I'll make a nice little time lapse, but yeah, this one wouldn't come out, so I had to do this, unfortunately. I always hate breaking parts, but you know, it's in a junkyard, and that bolt didn't want to come out. And I honestly want these coils because they're black tops, which is really nice. They look honestly pretty new, if you're asking me, so definitely worth grabbing. See, let me do a time lapse real quick, and yeah, should be nice video content for sure. Get what you're saying. All of these Oh no. Oh no, these are covered in oil. Oh, that's nasty. Oh, they're probably all like that too. Oh no, this one's fine. Just the first one. Okay, so yeah, this one's covered in oil. That kind of sucks, to be honest. I mean, it doesn't look like it went that high though, so I'm pretty sure this is fine. I mean, I'll take him regardless, just I don't want oil in my backpack here, so yeah, I see a rag right here. I'll try to clean this up, and yeah, then onto the boost control valves. I'll take those as well. Okay, so here are some of the stuff I got at the junkyard when I went. So there was also another part that's not in here, and that was the little hinges for the glove box because mine were broken. So I bought those and I installed them the day I came back from the junkyard. So that fixed my broken glove box. But what I also got was a good set of coil packs here. So these ones, they say they're dated from 2007. It's kind of hard to see with this lighting, but essentially I looked at them. They were blacktop coil packs on an old 2005 2-liter car. So these are probably replaced. And so if the replacement ones, I almost guessed that they're pretty much good. And they look to be in pretty much perfect shape. I don't see anything wrong with these. And yeah, there's a little dirt on them, but they were pretty much clean. When I took off the little cover there, you saw in the video. So yeah, these ones looked pretty nice. I also took the 2 boost control valves. So one's a bypass valve and the other one's a a boost control valve. So this one goes on the wastegate for the turbo. This one goes right beside the throttle body. I bought both of them because my car is having a boost issue right now. Stay tuned for that video. If I do it ever, it should be up here in the card. Hopefully these two sensors should help me trace my boost problem. Could be a leak, could be a bad sensor, who knows. It could even be bad coil pack switch. You know, I might end up swapping these over and see if it makes a difference. But yeah, I bought these parts because, you know, they were cheap and they were there and they were in good condition. And what I also found at the junkyard was this. That's right, an original set of locking nuts. Now, I probably won't ever use this because, let's be honest, locking nuts are just annoying, but if you open the box, and look, even the box says Saab on it. And that's an official part number if you look that up. Look, and it even says genuine parts right there. If we look inside, if you open it up, I mean, the case is still very stiff, so it feels new. I mean, the instructions are still there. And yeah, the nuts look like they were used, but they're a little rusty, but in good shape. Like, the filaments inside aren't broken. They don't look like they're worn. So I might end up using them. Who knows? If I get like a really expensive set of wheels, then I might end up using them. If not, I'll just keep it as a nice little keepsake, right? You don't see this kind of stuff often, especially not at the junkyard. So, you know, I had to pick it up. Cool little piece of memorabilia. I was going to pick up the manuals too, but they weren't there. And there you have it, my first ever junkyard video. If you enjoyed this video as much as I had making it, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.